Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing CSUI, TOMDF, SIRC, ATAO, DVLP, GWSO, EMGE, ALYI, NVTA, BCAB, CLWT, TTOO, and GMBL. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Great day in the markets overall. Risk on sentiment is definitely here. The Dow closed up over 500 points. S&P up 87 points. NASDAQ up over 360 points. Inflation readings came in not as hot as expected, and that is a bullish sign for the market, as the market is thinking that inflation has already peaked and that the rate of interest rate hikes will slow down. We won't be getting the 75 basis point increases like we've been seeing, and that's giving credence that the Fed is doing its job and that we will not get a hard landing. First up on the big runner on the OTC has been CSUI. This is up over 1,800% this month. It's risen from a penny to over 18 cents. Merger in the works. This one has just a $3 million market cap. And if you go and you look at what's happening in the filings, getting new directors appointed. John Carlin, he's been appointed president, along with Roger Carlin, appointed secretary treasurer, and we found this presentation on Bitcoin ALYI on visiondigitalholdings.com. John Carlin is listed as the president CEO of Bitcoin ALYI. This is a Bitcoin miner in Tennessee, and this is really what the market is excited about. So nothing is official, but everyone is expecting an announcement, a PR announcement, that there's going to be a merger with Bitcoin ALYI between CSUI with CSUI. So that again is what is fueling this run in CSUI. We're getting in two that we really like. We've talked about on this channel, TOMDF and SIRC. Just profit taking, guys. This happens. We've had great runs in both TOMDF and SIRC. TOMDF is monkeypox testing, and SIRC is an OTC with on track to do $400 million in revenues this year. Extremely undervalued play. This one ran to $3 back in 2021. Was not doing anywhere near the revenues it's doing today, and why we still see more upside in both of them. Speaking of upside, we still have our report on our number one penny stock. It's up a little bit from when we put out the initial report. We still really like this one. To get the full report on our number one penny stock, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Signup.insiderfinancial.com. You can sign up with your email and your mobile number. Mobile works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. And when you sign up, you also get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Moving on here, ATAO. Guys, this is running on rumors. The company had to actually go out and put a press release out today. The company has recently experienced a sharp increase in both the price and trading volume of our common stock, which we believe to be related to certain reports and speculative news items in financial media regarding the composition of our board of directors and individuals associated with the company. We urge the public to rely solely on current information provided in our publicly available filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission and in our official press releases. What are they talking about? Well, there's rumors going around, the Pelosi tracker, market rebellion with 280,000 followers repeating, saying that Paul Pelosi Jr., Nancy Pelosi's son, sits on the board of two lithium mining companies, SXOOF and ATAO. Guys, he does not sit on the board of ATAO. This is FUD, false information. You look at the SEC filings. Officers and directors are just Leonard Lovallo and Ramsey Curry. These are just two persons. They are the only board of directors. You can go to company profile. This is a QB, so it's not a sketchy company. It's listed right there. This company is completely above board, posting everything right there on OTC markets. And Paul Pelosi Jr. is not involved with ATAO. This is why, guys, do not follow anyone. Just don't take their word on Twitter or whatever, including InsiderFinancial.com. We are not investment advisors. You are to do your own due diligence. When we put out full reports, again, it's just a starting point for your due diligence. And if you would have done some due diligence on ATAO, you would see that that was false information. Next up, guys, is DVLP, just a $4.8 million market cap. This is a reverse merger play. So again, been climbing up the charts here, nice and steady, waiting for a big PR drop on the reverse merger. They got acquisitions lined up, just waiting on the news. So once that news hits, we should be over a penny in DVLP. Next up is GWSO. This one's quite interesting. What's going on here? Michael Rappaport. I don't know if you know who this guy is or not. I mean, he's an actor, very leftist, hates Donald Trump, but he is been talking about GWSO.
One of the first companies to come up with a powerful sodium-ion battery with far more longevity, and it's reasonably priced. The battery is not limited to electric vehicles. GWSO just announced on a PR that it's going to be using underwater currents to produce energies, reduce your carbon footprint. This company has reduced the amount of outstanding shares by 50% and has been buying back the stock on the open market. What's also exciting about GWSO is that they have zero debt, 0.0 debt. So in my opinion, I see the stock only going up from here. GWSO is going up.
No clue if guys, if he was compensated, paid for this, if he's got a position, if he's just talking his book. Not seeing any disclosures, but $1 million in volume today. It's been picking up, and this one has a history of running. We would be watching. Next target is $11, so it looks like it's going to test the new highs. Getting a lot of chatter on social media. Volume picked up today, so keep your eye on GWSO for a move to $11. Next up is EMGE, getting a nice bounce here. Been putting out a lot of press releases. The guy everyone's excited about is former L'Oreal president Jim Morrison. He's going to become the full-time CEO of Emergent next week, August 15th. So Monday starts his first day as full-time CEO. We've been talking about this one on the channel. They closed their acquisition of Regen BioWellness. They got a lot of acquisitions in place, and they're really getting ready to do something with EMGE, a lot of catalysts, and it has just a $3.9 million market cap. Next up, guys, is ALYI. It's a $9.7 million market cap. Been just seeing a lot of PRs dropping on this. They're building an electric vehicle with their electric vehicle motorcycles. And, you know, that's a hot sector, and, you know, it's got upcoming catalysts. Nice rounding bottom here. This is a former, you know, it spiked last year to 3 cents. We're here in the double zeros. You know, they're dropping the right PRs. So let's see, you know, if this one can really get going here. ALYI. This is on our radar screen. Next up, guys, big runner today on the NYSE is NVTA. Just, you know, 23% of the float is short. We're getting a nice short squeeze here, squeezing the shorts. Put out earnings after the bell yesterday. They were better than expected. So you're seeing improvement in their business fundamentals, but also the National Comprehensive Cancer Network recently updated its guidelines to endorse universal genetic testing for all colorectal cancer patients. NVTA thinks its target patient population in colorectal cancer will more than double. So you're seeing business fundamentals improving, strong demand for its treatments. So overall, this is you know, nice move today, up 276%, and it gave you opportunities all day to get in on NVTA after the, you know, put out the earnings after the close, and it was just a nice mover all day. You go here and you look at the 5-minute chart, and it was just an incredible move today. So we really liked the action in NVTA. And guys, as I've said on this channel over and over again, don't back yourself into a corner and that you say you just trade OTC or, you know, pennies only, or you only trade big board pennies only. There are opportunities on all markets, the OTC, the NASDAQ, and the NYSE. You got to leave you're in the make money business. That's what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com. And we drop reports, you know, before the opening bell. We're trying to get them out at 9 a.m., give everyone the opportunity to read the report at the bell. It's a little bit too not enough time for people to do their due diligence. So again, we're trying to release the reports 30 minutes early. So again, there's a lot of pre-market activity. You know, we're working hard every morning, looking for best ideas for subscribers. Just, you know, hit that link in the description. You know, we do a lot of work for free. You know, again, it's a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, guys. Next up is BCAB. This is another short squeeze play. 15% of the float is short. This was another one that put out better than expected earnings yesterday. So nice action here in BCAB, up 83% today. Next up, guys, is CLWT. We saw this one, you know, just too volatile. Didn't like the price action. It's a 3 million float. Got the algorithms, the shorts in here. Just too many volatilities, very choppy. So this is why we didn't send out anything on CLWT today. Next up, guys, is TTOO. They're pivoting into monkeypox testing. Big volume today, over the past 2 days. TTOO, with everything that's going on with monkeypox being declared a pandemic, they are pivoting, going to be doing monkeypox testing. Nice short squeeze plays, a low market cap, trades on the NASDAQ, a lot of potential. TTOO, put this on your radar screen, guys. Lastly, guys, is GMBL bidding up in the after hours. Keep your eye on this one for tomorrow. A lot of people are saying that it's just a pump and dump, that the rally will fade. So we'll be watching the price action. If we see anything interesting, again, make sure you watch your email and if you sign up for text messages inbox if we see anything exciting. So again, we cover a lot of these names. You know, like I said, if we think that there's actionable ideas, we send out. If we don't see anything worth taking advantage, you know, any opportunity worth taking advantage of, we don't send anything out. So, you know, we don't flood your inbox, you know, just for the sake of sending stuff out. We only send out our best ideas. Okay, guys? With that being said, remember, hit that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up for all of our alerts and free reports. With that being said, let's rock Thursday, and let's finish the week up strong this week, and we'll be here after the bell with a new video. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.